Do you want to see what 400 can get you at IKEA? Because I have to show you. I bought a lot of stuff. I mean, I furnished this house. I got a brand new house. I'm going to show you. Let's go. Let me show you. Let's go to IKEA. Let's do this. It's my favorite place. This is how things looking so far. Mess. That's my car. This is my passenger. We have 1 hour to drive, so let's do this. Hi, I'm back. So no particular order. First thing, this table, the cutest thing, right? I think it was like $69 and $25 each chair. If you need something fast, like we did something, you know, just to sit. This one was fine. The only thing is, like, tell me, should I stain it and make it like a better wood? Because this wood color is not like my favorite. But what do you think I should do? Should I stain it or just leave it like that? Then I got, well, that little, you know, thing. It's like a set. There's two. I don't remember how much was, but you know, those little things. And then these were like 80 cents. So I bought a bunch because I love having little rags. And then this Ziploc bags, they're the best. They're so cute. I think they're just the cutest. Then I got those things for like hot stuff, and then a little apron because I love wearing an apron sometimes once I'm like looking cute, I don't want to get dirty. And then this rug was like, I know it was $19.99. And it's perfect, neutral, you know, it has a design, but it's neutral. I love it. And then we had nothing because, as you know, or maybe you don't, but we didn't bring much, only our clothes. So I'm out of everything. So I bought, like, you know, a pan for whatever that's used. That's another pan. What do we call everything? A pan. And then this thing that I always buy every time I move because it's magical. Nothing sticks to that. I am telling you, if you make like omelet, whatever, that sticks, this is the best. IKEA, you killed it in the pan selection. Then this little, it's not little, it's quite big. It's a, I don't know what's called. It's a flask. You put the coffee, it keeps the hot the whole day. Yes, that's what that is. And then this little thing, it was $2.99 with this thing, and then that thing, and then this thing. I always get this. I had it in the other house. I just love having that just to like drain whatever. And this, I'm trying this. I never had this one before. It's a pan, I think. A frying pan. No, a grill pan. And yes, it's super lightweight, and it was $14.99. All the prices will be downstairs, no, down below. We got the usual. I just bought one. I do want to get like black or gold, but I was not gonna invest on it right now. I'm like, you know what, we just need forks and knives, that's all. I did get this vase. I think it's like $1, $1.99, something like that, just to put flowers. Once I get them, I got no flowers yet. Over here, I got those beautiful wine glasses. I love a beautiful wine glasses. These are beautiful. I love. These coffee mugs, I just got two because it's just us two. No need to invite people. Some container because that's necessary. Those things, I think this is like $4 or $3 is the best. I love putting salad in there. Oh my god, my friend, if you like you know, like your grandma coffee kind of, I don't even know how to call, like this kind of like cafetera, they're the best. It looks super cute. I mean, look at that. Looks like Arabic or something. Then I did get a spoon divider, but it didn't fit. It's like too long for the drawer, so I just put those cans up there. I don't know, for now it was $2.99, so I was not gonna go back to return $2.99. Look at these drawers, look at that. I don't have a divider. Well, since we're here, this set like that came together. Some measuring cups is very important, and then the set of knives, because we have to have good knives. I cook a lot. I love cooking. The set of scissors, it was like 3 scissors for like $3.99. Then let's go over here. I bought this bucket because I love having things in bucket here. Keep my lenses and stuff like that in this little closet. And I don't remember the price, but I did buy 4, so I have 2 more in the bathroom. And then this is a sad story. Like, let me tell you, I love a cutting board, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get the big one. This is pretty big. And I don't know why was I thinking that I went ahead and put it in the dishwasher. You know what happened? It broke. Look at this. Like the glue melted. I don't know, it was too hot. Something happened, ignore the bedroom. But yes, another thing I got is this. I got another one for the bathroom because, you know, why not? And then 2 more of the buckets. These are big. I like to have buckets so I can divide things. Like over here you put hair stuff, over here some other stuff. I got this curtain. This is just simple. I like to keep it real simple, just everything white. A little, you know, thing that it's already dirty because I thought white was a good idea. And then a stool, because who cooks without a stool? I did get that trash can. This is a mess, you guys. Like, I should have picked up. That thing is huge. This is a regular towel, but look at that. Look how big is that. It's huge. I don't know what is the purpose of such a big towel, but I didn't even notice when I was at the store. I wanted to buy a hanger to put over the door, and I completely forgot to buy, so I don't have where to put the towels. That's why they're looking so crappy over here. I also got this vase. It's just white. You get the theme. It's white, but it's cute. I want to get a plant friend because we only have palm friend, and we need a plant friend, like an indoor plant friend. Can you see how much stuff I'm getting with just like $300 something? I also got this a sheet set, so it comes with like the bed, not the bed skirt, like the bed wrap thing that you cover, the mattress cover, is it what's called? A sheet, and then the 2 pillowcase. I haven't put it on because I haven't had time, but I will. And then we got 2 pillows because we didn't even have pillows. Yes, and those 2 others are like cheap from Target, and I wanted some good pillows because I cannot sleep with bad pillows. I cannot. I don't know you, but I cannot. And that's basically what you can get with $400 at IKEA. What do you think? You think this is a lot of stuff? Like, am I getting a good deal, or you think I spend way too much on things that I got? I think IKEA, in my opinion, is the best for like budget, in a hurry. I mean, I know if you want to splurge on something, don't go to IKEA, but if you're just moving, you have nothing and you need it in emergency, and there's IKEA right there, you should go because it will help you back. And I love IKEA. It's my favorite place. I love it. I don't care. Even if I'm a millionaire, I'd probably be buying, you know, bougie stuff, but I'm like, can we go to IKEA just to check? I'm just daydreaming about future life. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and I see you at IKEA. Bye.